How to fix Xiaomi 15 Wi-Fi keeps turning off. So let's start the video. First of all, restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold volume up button and power button at the same time like that. And then swipe up to turn off your device and then turn on your device again. After that, check your internet connection will work properly or not. And after checking your internet connection, then open settings. In settings, scroll down and then click on battery and then click on current mode. Now here you can turn off your power saving mode. After turning off your power saving mode, then go back to the main page of your settings and then click on more connectivity options. Now here you can see the option reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks and Bluetooth. Now click on it and here you can reset your network settings. After reset the network settings, then go back to the main page of your settings and then click on about phone and then click on Xiaomi Hyper OS. From here you can check your updates. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After that, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.